Welcome back to the world of health, where we help you live better, stronger, and smarter every single day. If you or your loved one is fighting diabetes, you know how challenging it can be. Every meal feels like a choice between comfort and control. But don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you with truth, compassion, and science. By the end, you'll not only know which foods to avoid, but also how to replace them with healthier, delicious options that stabilize your blood sugar and boost your energy naturally. Sodas, fruit juices, energy drinks, they may look refreshing, but they're loaded with liquid sugar. Just one can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar, which can send your blood glucose levels skyrocketing within minutes. Instead, drink water with lemon, green tea, or sparkling water. Remember, hydration is your best defense against sugar spikes. These refined carbs turn into glucose almost instantly. They have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause blood sugar to jump fast. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats instead. Your body will thank you. These foods release energy slowly, keeping you full and steady. They're delicious, medically for diabetics. Loaded with refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy fats, they cause a quick rise and crash in blood sugar levels, making you crave even more sweets. Try baking at home with almond flour, stevia, or natural fruit sweetness. Small changes create big results. Fried chicken, French fries, and chips are packed with trans fats, the worst kind of fat for your heart and insulin resistance. These foods don't just affect your blood sugar. They increase your risk of heart disease, a major concern for diabetics. Instead, try grilling, baking, or air frying. You'll enjoy the crunch without the damage. Most store-bought ice creams contain not only sugar, but also saturated fats that can worsen insulin sensitivity. But here's the good news. You can make your own healthy version with frozen banana, Greek yogurt, and a touch of cinnamon. Healthy living doesn't mean giving up joy, it means redefining it. Pizza, burgers, packaged snacks. These foods are convenient but dangerous. They're high in sodium, refined carbs, and artificial ingredients that confuse your metabolism and make your insulin work harder. Cook more at home. Even if it's simple, your kitchen is your best medicine. Many products labeled low-fat or healthy actually hide added sugars. For example, flavored yogurt can contain up to 6 teaspoons of sugar per cup. Choose plain Greek yogurt with fresh fruit or nuts. Always read the label. Ingredients tell the truth. It sounds healthy, but most cereals are sugar bombs in disguise. Even the ones labeled whole grain can spike your glucose. Switch to steel-cut oats or chia pudding. Your mornings will feel more energetic and balanced. Even dark chocolate can be misleading if it's filled with sugar. If you crave chocolate, choose one that's at least 85% dark cocoa in moderation. A small square can satisfy your craving without wrecking your sugar control. Alcohol can dangerously lower or raise blood sugar depending on what and how much you drink. It also affects your liver's ability to manage glucose. If you drink, do so rarely and always after talking to your doctor. Remember, your body is your temple. Treat it like one. Now here's something to remember. Diabetes is not a punishment, it's a signal. Besides, it's your body asking for care, balance, and attention. And the foods you eat every day decide your future one bite at a time. According to the World Health Organization, over 420 million people worldwide live with diabetes, but studies show that dietary control can reduce symptoms by up to 80%. That means you have power, real power. So instead of saying, "I can't eat that," start saying, "I choose better." Every small decision, every smart swap moves you closer to freedom, energy, and health. My friend, remember this. Your health isn't built in a hospital. It's built in your kitchen, one meal at a time. You deserve to wake up full of energy, not fear. You deserve to live long, to smile, and to enjoy your food without guilt. So today, make a promise to yourself. You will nourish your body, respect your health, and never give up on feeling your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the World of Health, where every video helps you take another step toward a better, stronger you. Stay healthy, stay positive, and remember, you're not just managing diabetes, you're mastering your life.